Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the ultimate guide to growing cucumbers at home, ensuring a bountiful harvest for your family in no time. Hey there, garden enthusiasts. I'm your name, and today I'm going to share with you the secrets to growing cucumbers that are not only abundant, but also quick to harvest. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned gardener, these tips will help you enjoy fresh cucumbers straight from your backyard. First things first, let's talk about choosing the right cucumber variety. For a quick and plentiful harvest, go for varieties like Market Moore, Straight 8, or Pickle Bush. These are known for their fast growth and high yield. Check the seed packet for details on the growth period. Most cucumbers are ready to harvest in about 50 to 70 days from planting. Next up is soil preparation. Cucumbers love well-draining, nutrient-rich soil. Mix in plenty of compost or well-rotted manure to enrich the soil. Aim for a pH level between 6.0 and 6.8. Good soil ensures your cucumber plants get the nutrients they need to grow strong and produce lots of fruit. Now it's time to plant the seeds. Sow them about 1 inch deep and 12 inches apart if you're planting in the ground. If you're using containers, make sure they are at least 12 inches deep and wide. Water the seeds gently and keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. In about 7 to 10 days you'll see your cucumber seedlings sprouting. Caring for your cucumber plants is crucial for a quick and fruitful harvest. Water them regularly, especially during dry periods. Cucumbers need about 1 to 2 inches of water per week. Mulch around the plants to retain moisture and keep weeds at bay. Also provide support for climbing varieties using trellises or cages. Feed your cucumber plants with a balanced fertilizer every 2 weeks. Look for signs of pests like aphids or cucumber beetles. Use organic insecticidal soap or neem oil to keep them under control. Healthy plants are more resistant to diseases, so keep an eye out and act quickly if you spot any issues. The moment you've been waiting for, harvesting. Cucumbers are best picked when they are firm and bright green. Harvest them regularly to encourage more fruit production. Check your plants daily and enjoy your homegrown cucumbers in salads, sandwiches, or just as a refreshing snack. And there you have it, the complete guide to growing cucumbers at home with lots of fruit and a quick harvest. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to your channel name for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening and see you in the next video.